Sam Paredes, Executive Director of Gun Owners of California, and we just testified in the Senate Appropriations Committee in opposition to SB808 by Senator Kevin De Leon. This is a bill that doesn't outright ban the possession or the manufacturing of 3D printer guns or owner manufactured guns, which are completely allowed under federal law. What this bill does is it requires all people who have one or who make one in the future to basically petition the California Department of Justice for a serial number. They'll have to meet all kinds of criteria. They'll have to be of the appropriate age, they'll have to have identification, they'll have to pass the firearm safety certificate test, and pass the background check in order to be eligible to receive a serial number that they will then have to apply to their owner manufactured gun. There's a problem with this. It has to be applied in a manner that is completely permanent. And many receivers are made out of polymer, as all gun owners know. And there really, truly is no way to put a piece of metal in a polymer AR-15 lower that cannot be removed, that makes it permanent, and then you put the serial number on that. That's just not, there's no such thing as a permanent addition to a polymer receiver. Anything that's made of metal could be removed, whether it's on a Glock, whether it's on an AR-15, or any other gun based on a polymer receiver. So what this law does is it makes it illegal for, what they're trying to do is make it more illegal for criminals who make these owner guns and use them in the commission of a crime. So I say they're making an illegal act illegaler by passing this bill, and it's kind of silly. Obviously, the author of this legislation and the supporters of this legislation know less than nothing about firearms manufacturing, construction, operation, and use, and they are grasping at straws. And the plain fact of the matter is they would like to do nothing more than make it such a pain in the rear end for us to own guns, make guns, have guns, shoot guns, and that's what they're trying to do with this legislation. So we're thankful for everybody who is standing up and fighting against this legislation, because it doesn't make any sense. If it goes to court, if it is passed and signed by the governor, it goes to court, we're pretty confident that we will be able to have it declared unconstitutional and overturned on a government-taking issue, as well as the Second Amendment. So keep fighting, be involved. Thank you.